Hello everyone, this is Satyam Kumar Thakur. So in this video we will be understanding that what is a leap year, okay, and then we will write code for it, okay. So let's understand that what is a century year. A century year is a year which comes after every 100 years, okay. So for example 1800, 1900, 2000, 2100, these are century years. So now let's understand the definition of leap year, okay. So if for a year to be a leap year, it has to be divisible by 4, okay. So now there are 4 cases. If a year is divisible by 4, okay, and if it is a century year, that means if it is divisible by 100 also, then in that case it has to be divisible by 400 to be a leap year, okay. Second case is if a year is divisible by 4 and if it is a century year and if it is not divisible by 400, okay, in that case it won't be counted as a leap year, okay. The third case is if a year is divisible by 4 and if it is not a century year, okay, in that case it is a leap year, okay. And if a year is itself not divisible by 4, okay, in that case it is not a leap year. So these are the 4 cases. Now we will write code for it, okay. So I have already taken input for this one, so we will write logic for it, okay. So what I told that if a year is divisible by, okay, divisible by 4, okay, then we need to check whether it is divisible by 100 or not, okay. So we will check whether it is divisible by 100 or not, okay. After it is divisible by 100 also, then we need to check whether it is divisible by 400 or not, okay. So if it is divisible by 400 or not, if it is divisible by 400 also, then it will be counted as a leap year, okay. And after that, if it is not divisible by 400, okay, in that case it will not be a leap year, okay. So and if it is divisible by 4, okay, if it is divisible by 4 and if it is divisible by, if it is not divisible by 100, okay, in that case it will be a leap year. That means if a year is divisible by 4 and if it is not a century year, in that case it will be a leap year, okay. And if a year is itself not divisible by 4, in that case what it will be, if a year is itself not divisible by 4, in that case it won't be a leap year, okay. So it is not a leap year, okay. So this is the code for it, okay, that if a year is divisible by 4 and if it is divisible by 100 also, okay, then we had to check if it is divisible by 400 or not. If it is divisible by 400 also, then it is a leap year. If it is not divisible by 400, then that means it is not a leap year, okay. And if it is divisible by 4, if it is not divisible by 100, then it will be a leap year. And if a year is itself not divisible by 100, okay, sorry, 4, then in that case it won't be a leap year, okay. So this is the code for it. Now we will execute this code, okay. So let's execute it. So if we'll execute it, you can see that, oh sorry, we have to execute it again. Yeah, so we have executed it. Now give the this one. For example, we are giving it as 1900, okay, 1900. So if we'll give 1900, it is coming as it is not a leap year, okay. So you can go through Google and check how many number of days were in 1900. So it will be 365, okay. So that means it is not a leap year, okay. So if we'll execute for suppose 2000, okay, 2000, so it will become as it is a leap year, okay. So that's it. If you like the video, please subscribe it, share with your friends and like it. Thank you.